And of course, I acknowledge members of my team, the members of the National Institute of Management. Your Excellency, Governor Siminalayi Fubara, esteemed members of the Rivers State Government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today with deep joy and a profound sense of honor. Being here in Rivers State, which holds such personal and professional significance for me, is truly special. I am immensely grateful for the warmth and hospitality extended by Your Excellency and the people of Rivers State to my delegation and I since our arrival yesterday, making this visit not just memorable, but deeply meaningful. This occasion also presents my first opportunity to express my heartfelt thanks, Your Excellency, for your esteemed office's thoughtful, congratulatory message and public recognition of my appointment as the head of the Civil Service of the Federation. Your kind words and the extensive media coverage deeply moved my family and me. Your support, Your Excellency, has not only been encouraging, but has also significantly strengthened my commitment to serving our great nation with even greater resolve. Earlier today, I had the honor of representing Mr. President Bola Tinubu, GCFR, at the opening of the 2024 Annual Management Conference of the Nigerian Institute of Management. The discussions at that event underscored the importance of collaboration between federal and state governments in ensuring effective governance. This principle resonates strongly with the purpose of my visit here today, which is to reaffirm our unwavering commitment to this collaborative approach. My presence here goes beyond official duties, Your Excellency. It is a testament to my deep personal and professional connection to Rivers State. I was born and bred in Port Harcourt. My dear husband, Honorable WALSON-JACK, hails from Abonima in Akuku Toro local government area of the state. I began my civil service career in the Rivers State Ministry of Justice. These experiences have given me a deep appreciation of the unique strengths and opportunities within the Rivers State Civil Service and Rivers State in general. This bond has made me deeply invested in the success and growth of the Rivers State Civil Service. Rivers State is renowned not only for its natural resources, but also for the strength and resilience of its people. It has long been a vital contributor to Nigeria's development. However, like many parts of the country, it faces challenges that demand coordinated action from both state and federal levels. I firmly believe that together we can develop strategies to enhance public service delivery, confront these challenges, and uplift the quality of life for the citizens of Rivers State. My visit, Your Excellency, is not just a ceremonial gesture. It is a genuine opportunity to strengthen our partnership and explore new avenues for collaboration. With a shared commitment to innovation and progress, I am confident that we can achieve great things for Rivers State and Nigeria. As the head of the Civil Service of the Federation, I am dedicated to ensuring that Rivers State's concerns and aspirations are amplified at the highest levels of government. I stand ready to support any initiatives that align with the goals of advancing this great state. I am particularly passionate about building a civil service that is robust, responsive, and dynamic, one that meets the needs of its people. At the federal level, our ongoing civil service reforms are focused on performance management and digital transformation to improve transparency, accountability, and efficiency. In today's rapidly changing world, technology has become indispensable. We have embraced digitalization in the federal civil service to streamline processes, enhance communication, and deliver better services. I look forward to discussing how the federal and River State civil services can collaborate on technology-driven initiatives that can serve as a model for other states and regions. Your Excellency, I have long admired your commitment to public service, and I am excited to explore how we can work together to strengthen the River State civil service further. By prioritizing initiatives such as capacity building, promoting transparency and accountability, and fostering greater citizen engagement, we can build a service that meets and exceeds expectations. Your leadership, vision, and dedication to good governance are not just commendable, but also critical to the success of our efforts at the federal level. I am confident that together we can advocate for policies that will unlock River State's full potential and ensure its citizens have access to the resources and opportunities needed for sustainable growth and development. I'm also delighted, Your Excellency, to learn that the River State, under your leadership, will host the annual Federal Public Service Games, FEPSGA, in November 2024, and is on the verge of securing the hosting rights for the 2024 meeting of the Joint National Public Service Negotiating Council. These prestigious events will further enhance River State's standing as a center for national activities and demonstrate its capacity for excellence. I wish to, at this point, reiterate my deepest gratitude to Your Excellency for the gracious reception and warm hospitality. I am enthusiastic about the future of our partnership and its positive impact on the civil service and ultimately on the lives of the people of River State. Let us continue to engage in meaningful dialogue, share best practices, and explore innovative solutions that will contribute to the progress of River State and our great nation. You can be assured of my unwavering commitment to this partnership. And so, Your Excellency, once again, I say thank you very much, and may God bless River State and the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me, on behalf of the government and the good people of the state, welcome our dear sister, mother. It's going to be in two capacities. The first one will recognize the presence of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, because you are standing in for him. That is one side. The other side is you are our own. So we're also recognizing you for coming back home. I feel really honored. And just like you said, you're excited. I'm overwhelmed with so much joy. And my reason is this. We've had cases where people come into our states. People come in to represent the president in events, and they don't bother paying courtesy. The singular reason is for fear of some persons in Abuja. So I'm really happy that you're doing what is the normal standard everywhere in the Federation. Somebody of your caliber cannot come into River State without paying a courtesy call to the governor. And by that, we also recognize you. I am happy, again, because the few things you mentioned here are not different from what we're trying to do. When we came on board, we inherited a near-dead civil service, a service that there was no promotion for 11 years. We came in and it wasn't easy, but we have to give the civil servants hope by ensuring that they were promoted. We did not even end there. We immediately, when the institute visited us earlier, we assured them that they are going to be a consultant to the civil service in terms of training, which is key. I can't remember the year that any of these civil servants here had gone for any. I think the last time we did training was in 2010. Yes, that was the last time the civil service involved in anything training. So I know what it means because that is my primary constituency. Training is the only thing that can build the service that will give us that level of result of transparency, efficiency, even assurance that there is hope. It is only when you start building them and they feel secure and they also understand that something is at stake. So I want to thank you for all the things you mentioned. I can assure you that we are not just willing to collaborate with you, we are ready to start it at once. When you become an ambassador of our state, the ambassador, if I understand it very well, is that you're representing a people. You might be a messenger to somewhere to protect their interests, or maybe do one or two things for your people. It is always good for your person to speak peace and not trouble. I can say it here without fear that you symbolize peace, and we're very proud to associate. We will, by the special grace of God, in any way we can to support you, we'll support you. Because we know what you stand for. But the most important thing is we appreciate your work, the work you're doing, and we're going to join hands together with you to support the success of the administration of Mr. President. Because it's important. If we fail from the head, it will also go down to the toe. So we need all aspects to succeed. You see, when the head of service of the Federation was given a small brief about her career, you understand that we need to bring back those glory that had departed our civil service in River State. At that time, you walk to a certain stage, a certain level in the state civil service, and they now do recommendation For you to be recommended to go to federal, you must be an outstanding officer. So those of you that are here, you can see what it means to work hard, to be dedicated. And today, it is because of those qualities, those hard work, that led her to go to the federal, and she is now the head of the civil service. It is not a walk in the park. No, 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 no. It is a big achievement. So I'm happy that you were able to achieve it for us. We will continue to work together, like we promised. Every other thing that we had discussed, we will ensure that we live up to it. Let me finally thank the God Almighty for this day as you go back journey mercies. Thank you, and may God bless every one of us.